Welcome to our channel Food Hive and let's prepare something yummy.
Today we are going to prepare Kurkuri Masala Bhindi. Note down the ingredients needed. Slice the bhindi vertically into 4 or 2 pieces. Now sprinkle all the spice powders like chilli as per taste, turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, coriander 1 teaspoon, cumin 1/2 teaspoon, 1 pinch of ajwain, corn flour powder 1 tablespoon and salt as per taste. Sprinkle besan on the bhindi. Gently mix the besan, spice powders and salt with the bhindi. The besan must evenly coat the bhindi. Also add ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, it's optional, and lemon 1 teaspoon. Marinate the bhindi in this mixture for 25 to 30 minutes. You could also keep it for an hour. This is how they look after marination. Heat the required amount of oil and then add batches of bhindi. Fry it in medium flame. Fry bhindi evenly till golden brown and crisp. Don't burn it, lower the flame if burns. Now your crisp bhindi chips are ready to serve. It's best for evening snack or child's tiffin. Sprinkle chaat masala and lemon to enhance the taste.
Tell us in comments if you liked our recipes, and for more awesome recipes from Food Hive, please subscribe, like and share.